I'm not gonna be doing much talking because I don't want to fuck up. So really quick, I just did a beard tutorial. As you guys can see, if you saw my last video that I just posted, I did a quick sorry y'all, I'm trying to do this before midnight, y'all. We about to pop bottles. It's about to be New Year's, man. So I'm trying to hurry up so I can pop bottles with my girlfriend and everything like that and welcome in the new year. But really quick, y'all, I just want to do this video really quick. A quick shape up beard tutorial on how I shape up my beard, guys. Like I was saying, the last video I just posted, I just recorded. I did just a quick beard hacks that you can use on the go. Like if you don't have time to actually cut your beard and you haven't had time to go to the barber, things of that sort. So as you can see, guys, I just finished cutting my hair like I told you guys I was going to do after that video. Nothing too crazy. I just want to do it real quick. You know, you can just see I did a fade. I could blend it in some more, but honestly, guys, I'm being kind of lazy right now and I'm trying to hurry up. But as you can see, it looks pretty decent. I've taped up my mustache and everything like that. I mean, my mustache, my beard, and all that good stuff. So really quick, guys, I'm just going to show you how I shape up my beard. So the same thing. You want to pick out your beard, guys. It's very important. Pick out your beard. So you can get all the straggly hairs out. All the hairs that are tangled up. Because of the last video that I posted, guys, my beard is not, it's not wrinkled or crinkly or tangled up and nappy or nothing like that. So my beard is really soft right now due to the oil, the water, the hot water that I use. And just for the simple fact that I actually picked out my beard and combed out my beard, guys. So now I'm just gonna trim it up. You guys might be saying, hey, Devontae, it doesn't really look like it needs much work to be done, and that may be true. But there's always work to be done with your beard, guys. Please hurry the fuck up. We're gonna find work to do. It could be shaped up a little bit, guys. As you can see, if you can see that, like this bottom part is kind of sticking out. So what I'm basically gonna do is, because of the shape that I want to do, like I said, guys, in my last video, if you haven't watched it, I like my beard to be brown like this and to go up like this. So I'm basically just gonna take this part off and just kind of like just shape it up, guys. So that's basically what I'm doing. You're gonna get your clipper, guys. I'm using the Wahl Seniors for this video. For when I shape my beard, I like to use clippers as opposed to using trimmers because it's a bigger blade. When using something like trimmers like the Andes or just your basic trimmer, or this one, the Gold FX, the trimmer, the blade is really small. So when you're shaping up your beard, you like to use something bigger, which is your standard clipper. That's what I prefer to use. And you can use scissors as well if it's not too crazy. You could use scissors to get the straggly hairs that might be sticking out if you just trimmed up your beard or anything like that, and then you just want to shape it up a little bit. You can use scissors as well. But for the purpose of this video, I'm actually going to be shaping up my beard to get it to the shape that I desire. So that's what we're going to do, guys. So I have the mirror right here. I'm just going to be looking into the mirror. I'm just picking out a little bit more. And guys, this video isn't going to be long at all, y'all.
Thank God.
So really quick. So just a recap if you haven't watched the last video before I shape it up. So simple tools that I use for my beard personally. Like I said, I can't talk about Tom and Jerry. Tom and Jerry use what they use. Devontae, I use what I use. So get your water, guys. Get your water. That's very moisturize your beard. Spray your beard down. Pick it out, guys. Get your pick, get your comb, get your brush, whatever you need to actually pick out your hair and straighten out the hair so everything can be evenly picked out, evenly shaped out, so that when you actually trim it up, you can get an even shape, guys, okay? And then also you want to get your oil. This is Shea Moisturizer. It doesn't want to focus for whatever reason. I don't know if you can see that, but oh, there you go. All right, so this is Shea Moisturizer oil, beard oil. You can get this at your local grocery store.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I usually have a kit, but I don't have a kit right now. This is just something simple that I use that gets my beard to to what I want it to look like. So you just spray it down. I've already oiled my beard, guys. Moisturize it, and then pick it out again. And then the final step, which is what I'm gonna do right now, is to simply get your trimmer, get your clipper. Like I said, I use clippers, and shape it up. So that's what we're gonna do right now, guys. I like to start at the bottom. I'm not gonna be doing much talking because I don't wanna fuck up. Because I'm recording, so you can just watch what I do. In the next video, I'll probably go into more detail on how I do it, but you can just monitor what I'm doing. I can hear the fireworks already, y'all. Happy New Year's to you guys, y'all. Y'all be safe out there, man. A lot of crazy folks out there. Like I said, I like my beard round. So I like to start from the bottom. I like it round and thick. So I like to start from the bottom and work my way to this side. I don't take off too much hair, guys. Just the hairs that's grown out of place. And what you're doing when you have the clipper, guys, you want to angle the clipper. So when I start from the bottom, I angle it straight like this. As you can see. I don't know if you guys can see that. I like to angle it straight like this. And then as I'm working my way around, I like to angle it like that when I'm trimming it up. Okay, guys? And you just gradually go like that. Now me, I'm actually shaping it up, so I'm kind of trimming. But for you guys, maybe you might not have to do that. You might just have a few stragglies. So in that case, you just, you know, just do a little bit. But I'm actually kind of like shaping it up and cutting some down. Not much, but just a little bit, guys. To the shape that you desire. Like I said, for my shape, the shape that I want for my beard, it works perfect for me with what I'm doing, with what I'm doing. And I like to get the sideburns as well. But my sideburns, y'all, my sideburns are thick. My sideburns get really, really thick. So I like to trim that down as well. And then from there, guys, you can see it's a little bit over here. Let me get some of this down. Hold on, y'all. I'm almost done. I'm coming. I'm almost done. 5 minutes. All right. That's my girlfriend, y'all. She want me to hurry up. So yeah, guys, that's basically what I do. Nothing crazy. And then the final step is you just want to pat it down to the shape that you desire. And then that's it, y'all. So as you can see, it looks a lot better than what it looked like before. And yeah. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to just do this video really quick. Appreciate y'all for tuning in with me. Happy New Year to you all. Follow me at Moden_greatness on all platforms. And yeah, man, enjoy. For more tips, anything else that I want me to do as far as this is out of my realm. I just want to do this real quick because I get a lot of questions on how I do my beard and stuff like that. So I just want to give this video to you all. Happy New Year. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Holla.